Welcome to OnSite, Sensoteq's latest application for both iOS and Android. Whether it's your first time installing or if you're upgrading your current setup, you'll find a range of tools that will help streamline the installation process and ensure your system is working as expected. In this series, we'll cover each feature of the application and how you can use them. But before we do that, let's cover a few things that you'll need to know before you start. Number 1, site creation. This is the creation of your site by Sensoteq on Analytics so that you can begin to add your machines, sensors and gateways. Number 2, your gateways. Please ensure that the gateways you have received in your order have been delegated to your site, enabling you or any installer in your company to select it for use. And number 3, your login credentials. These are required to enable you to access your site within the app. These are entered by selecting the Sensoteq logo in the top right corner of the main screen and entering the details when prompted. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled for your account on Analytics, this will also be required. If you have any questions or concerns regarding the items above, please contact Sensoteq customer support before attending the site. Now that you have successfully logged in and that you can see your site is available, let's get started with your installation using Analytics Management.